We want to know how to fix Money Manager not working. Well, no worries. So if you are having any issues with Money Manager and if you want to fix it, this video is for you. So there can be various issues regarding Money Manager. Sometimes your app might not be responsive, crashing or anything. So for that, first things first, just simply check your update. Just simply head towards your Play Store and search up Money Manager on the search bar right here. So make sure there is not any updates. So if there is any, you can just simply update it. And once that is done, if that still doesn't work, you can just simply restart your device itself. And finally, if none of those work, what you can do is you can just simply clear out your cache of the application. So you can just simply hold on to the Money Manager app. Just simply head towards its app info or app settings. And on the bottom right side, you should be seeing clear data. Just simply select that and then select clear cache. Now select OK. Once that is done, any temporary files should be removed and you should be good to go. Now you can just simply start your Money Manager again and it should work properly. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.